Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. How are you today? I hope you are all in good condition, okay? Okay, I'm Eli Elvina Sahara. Now in this opportunity we are going to talk about simple present tense. Okay? Now look at the video. Hi girls, you look so confused. I'm still confused about simple present tense. From the video, that girl still confused about simple present tense. Ya, jadi dalam video tersebut, cewek itu sepertinya bingung sama simple present tense. Dia masih bingung sekali. Nah, sekarang I will explain you about simple present tense. Okay? Look at case 1. When we should use simple present tense? Yeah, we should use simple present tense when we want to show our daily routines. For example, I go to school every day. And then the second one, we use simple present tense when we want to show the general truth. For example, the water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Okay students, after you got the explanation about simple present tense, have you got the idea? Okay, good job. Untuk selanjutnya, silahkan lihat the next video, okay? What about nominal and verbal sentence? Listen my explanation. Nah, dari video tersebut sepertinya gadis tersebut masih bingung antara nominal dan verbal, oke? Nah, sekarang saya akan menjelaskan tentang nominal dan verbal, oke? Now look at the case 2. Nah, sebelumnya saya mau tanya dulu nih, how many kind of simple present tense? Berapa banyak jenis sih simple present tense yang kalian tahu? Ayo, berapa banyak? Ya, oke, very good. There are two kinds of simple present tense. The first one is simple present tense in nominal sentence. We use is, am, are for the to be. For example, in affirmative sentence, I'm a student. For negative sentence, I'm not a student. Cuma tambah not saja kalau mau menegatifkan, oke? Karena ini nominal sentence. And how about the interrogative? Kalau interrogatifnya bagaimana? Ya, betul sekali. Jadi kalau mau interrogatif tinggal meletakkan to be-nya di depan. Am I a student? Like that, okay? And for the second one, simple present tense in verbal sentence. We use verb 1. For example, study, swim, run, eat, drink, etc. The example for affirmative sentence, I go to school every day. How about the negative? Gimana nih negatifnya? Beda sama yang nominal sentence tadi. Kalau ini nggak boleh langsung not, okay? I not go to school. It's wrong, okay? So, sebelum not berarti harus ditambahin apa? Oke, very good. Harus ditambahin auxiliary. Auxiliary-nya ada dua pilihan nih, ada do sama does. Kebetulan ini subjeknya I, so we use do for this sentence, oke? Jadinya gimana nih? Nah, jadinya seperti ini. I do not go to school every day. Pakai yang do, oke? So, how about the interrogative? Kalau untuk kalimat tanyanya, kita hanya meletakkan do di depan. Just put do in the first sentence like that, okay? Do I go to school every day? Okay, so all of you, have you got the idea, students? Okay, good job. Okay, students, gimana? Sudah paham tentang simple present tense? Kita yang pertama tadi sudah membahas tentang the usage of simple present tense, penggunaan dari present tense tersebut. Yang kedua, kita sudah membahas tentang apa, ayo? Ya, tentang nominal sentence and verbal sentence. Ada yang masih bingung? Oke, sekarang kalau begitu saya akan menerangkan lebih dalam lagi tentang nominal sentence formula. Oke. Nah, formula for nominal sentence. The formula for nominal sentence just subject, to be, and complement. Okay. The to be you can use is, am, are. Okay. For example, Mr. Tom is an English teacher. The negative is you just put not after is. Okay. The negative is Mr. Tom is not an English teacher. Okay. Have you got the idea? Okay. Now please look at the interrogative. Nah, kalau kalimat tanyanya gimana? You just put the to be in the first sentence. Hanya meletakkan to be-nya, memindahkan to be-nya di depan kalimatnya. Okay? So, the sentence must be, is Mr. Tom an English teacher? Like that. Gimana? Paham kan? Ada yang tanyakan? Okay. Kalau tidak ada yang tanyakan, saya akan lanjutkan lagi. Okay? Okay. For the usage of is, am, are. Jadi kalau is for the subject he, she, it. Okay. And for the am, for the subject I. And for the are, the subject is they, we, you. Okay. Don't forget about it. Okay. Okay students, kalau tadi tentang nominal sentence formula, kalau sekarang tentang verbal sentence formula. Ya, coba lihat sekarang. Nah, this is the formula for verbal sentence. Okay. The formula is subject, verb 1, and object. For example, I study English every day. This is the affirmative sentence. So, if you want to change the sentence into negative sentence, you have to put the auxiliary before not. Okay? Jadi, kalau mau menegatifkan, nggak boleh langsung tambah not. Beda seperti nominal sentence tadi. Kalau nominal sentence tadi, kalian tinggal tambah not saja setelah to be. Tapi karena ini tidak ada to be-nya, maka sebelum not harus ada auxiliary-nya. Auxiliary-nya ada dua macam, ada do, ada does. Okay? So you choose one of them. Kalau milih berarti harus lihat subjeknya. Kalau subjeknya they, we, I, you, maka kalian harus menggunakan auxiliary yang do. Very good. Ya. Nah, kalau subjeknya he, she, it atau nama orang, maka kalian pilih auxiliary does. Okay? Don't forget about it. Okay, so the negative sentence, I do not study English every day. Like that, okay? So how about the interrogative? Kalau interrogatifnya gimana? Gampang kan? Tinggal meletakkan apa? Betul sekali, tinggal meletakkan auxiliary di depan. Kalian tinggal meletakkan do atau does di depan. Karena ini subjeknya kebetulan I, maka kalian menggunakan auxiliary yang dalam bentuk do. Jadi kalimatnya seperti ini. Do I study English every day? Oke, gimana? Paham nggak? Paham ya? Oke, good students. Nah, setelah tadi kita sudah discuss tentang nominal sentence formula dan verbal sentence formula, sekarang kita tiba saatnya discuss tentang time signal. Apa sih time signal itu? Kita lihat ya. Oke. There are two kind of time signal which is used in simple present tense. Yang pertama, adverb of time. Contohnya gimana nih adverb of time-nya? Contoh dari adverb of time adalah every day, every week, every month, twice a day, etc. Oke? Dan yang kedua adalah adverb of frequency. Contohnya adalah always, often, seldom, sometimes, generally, etc. Oke? Ada yang bisa memberi contoh dalam kalimat simple present tense? Kalau yang adverb of time gimana? Contohnya gimana? I study English every day. Nah, seperti itu. Oke? Kalau contohnya dari adverb of frequency gimana? I always drink a glass of milk every morning. Seperti itu ya. Nah, paham ya? Kita sudah membahas tentang time signal, oke? Okay, and the last part is exercise. Okay, please look at the exercise. Oh, it's very easy for you, ya. Okay, the instruction is fill the blank with the correct word in the bracket. Saya rasa ini mudah banget buat kalian ya kan? Just 3 questions, okay? Make it as your homework, okay? Cuma 3 saja kan? Ya kan? Mudah kan? Nah, silakan buat ini sebagai homework kalian ya. Don't forget, you can consult with your dictionary if you find any difficult word, okay? And also, feel free to ask me by send me an email if you have any question, okay? Okay, good luck students. Okay students, kita sudah membahas tuntas tentang simple present tense, ya. So, keep learning, sharing, inspiring, and writing, okay? Goodbye, thank you. See you next meeting. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.